Ryan squishy putty. I'm superhero. Baby Freya. Can you open it now? What is the serpentine?
What is that?
A motorcycle.
That's a cool motorcycle, huh?
I was to get one of that. Whoa! This is one of that? What is that? What is this? How is it swinging? Please. Okay.
What is it?
The friend's just showing him a pretty.
You need some help?
It's a penguin.
Can I see?
How does the other egg? It's a bigger one, and it's a big egg one too. It's from the egg. What is this?
What is it?
It's slime! A mask? Is it a mask?
You don't want to open these ones yet?
I need to put this in the penguin foot. Look, it's on him! Look, see, it's an ice. It's an igloo.
Is that an igloo?
Yeah, look, it's going to be igloo ice.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Here, you want to open these ones?
First I want
That one? Alright, let's do it. Open it. You can open that one? Alright, let me see. Maybe I can open it for you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's in here? What's in here? Yeah, he goes into a motorcycle. Is that cool? Alright. Let's see. I wonder what's in here. Can you see? Let's see. Can I see that one? What is that? Yeah, but I want to see what it is. Is that a... What is that? Is that a frog or a crocodile?
A crocodile.
Is it?
Yeah, and he's a people.
Ah.
Open that one. You want to open it?
Let's see. Let's open the last one.
Let's open it.
I wonder what that is. What is that? You know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it? You don't know? It's a parachute.
It's not shoe.
It's a parachute. You throw it up in the air, and it comes right down.
Can you see?
You want to do it outside?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. We got a super cool toy guide where we can collect all these toys. And then what else do we get?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle. And then who is this little guy right here?
He is Ryan and he's an alligator.
This is Ryan and this is an alligator.
And that is his squishy putty. And he's an igloo.
And he's a penguin, huh?
Penguins are called igloos.
Yeah?
It's sticky.
It's sticky? That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, I put it the slime.
And we have who over here?
You put it in the air.
Yeah, we can throw it up in the air.